All right, guys, we got a 2024 F-350. It's got 400 miles on it. He had it custom built himself and everything, and just got it. He brought it straight to us basically whenever he got it. So we're gonna chop everything off and put on some thrushes. So I want to get you guys a before video and show you what it's like underneath and let you guys hear it, how it runs stock. It's quiet. So factory converter there, factory converter there. Comes out, Trudels, goes into a huge muffler right there, dual in, single out. It goes into a small baby resonator right there. It goes into another massive muffler right there. Tailpipe, which is about 3 inch, 3 1/4, and then goes into another small resonator, and then out the back to the tailpipe there. So we're taking all of this off, starting all the way up there, and then coming all the way back here. We're gonna leave it single though, so we're not gonna trudel it, but we're gonna put 2 Thrush glass backs on it, 2.4, 2.14, or 2.5 in and out. We're gonna put these 2 here. We're gonna stack them up like that, and then we're gonna put this Thrush, which is a wide pipe, dual in, single out, part number 24224, just 3 inch in, 2.5 out technically, but we're gonna flip it around because it'll work the same way either way, so it don't matter. So yeah, and then we're gonna put that after that, and then run it, keep it single, go back into the single tailpipe, and then bring it out the back and put a tip on it, which is not here right now, but I will let you guys see it when we finish. This is what it's like before. I will let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This is stock. Sound decibels? 93 is what it peaks at. This is stock. Like I said, we're gonna put basically an entire thrush system on it. So we'll let you guys hear it when we finish. You guys let us know what you think. All right guys, 2024 Ford F-350. I showed you guys what it sounded like before and showed you the undercarriage. We took all that off. We put the new thrush on it and everything. So I'll let you guys see it now. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Goes back, the dual is right there into the 2 thrushes that he brought right there. Part number 24214. Put it like that, go over, just weld it in. And then this is the second thrush he brought with the wide pipe. Put it on there, and then run it back into the single there. And the part number on that one is 24224. And then did 3 inch continuation into the rear tailpipe, left the rear resonator on right there. And then put up a nice 5 inch rolled stainless steel tip right there. There's the system right there, nice and red, stick out. And then here's the old system we cut off. This is at the front, chopped 2 off right there. And the back where it went into the rest of the system. So there you guys go, that's what we took off. Put it on, so I'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
One's got a bazooka.
Oh, so you're
Get them all! Get them all!
Quiet, but it's deep. It's deep and clean.
Very clean.
Got a little bit of pop on the back end.
That's right. It's under 100.
Yeah, I was about to say. 97. Again. Hit 102 there on one of the peaks.
Like it.
Satisfied? Hell yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 93 is what it peaks at. This is stock. And like I said, we're gonna put basically an entire thrush system on it. So we'll let you guys hear it when we finish. You guys let us know what you think. It's still quiet, but it's deep. It's deep and clean.
Very clean.
Got a little bit of pop on the back end.
That's right. It's under 100.
Yeah, I was about to say. 97. Again. Hit 102 there on one of the peaks.
Like it.
Satisfied? Hell yeah. ...2024 F-350. An entire thrush system. Brand new, it's only got 400 miles on it.